Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Shubham Kesri. We have already learned how to read a CSV file in R. Now we can do some more operation on this file. First, read the file. Write A is equals to read dot CSV. Write here file name. Now write header is equals to true. Write SCP is equals to comma. Now run it. See, this is our file. Now we can do some more operation on this file. We can find mean of a numeric column using mean function. See here. If we want to find the mean of marks, then write mean and pass here and marks. Right? See, the output is 77.6, which is average value of marks. Okay. We can also find median of a numeric column using median function. See, median and pass here now run it. See, the value is 78, which is median of the marks in this record. We can also find sum of a column using sum function. See, if we want to find sum of all age, see, if we want to add these all age, then write here sum at a dollar age. Now run it. See, 352, which is the sum of these all age. Now we can also attach and detach a file using attach function. Right here attach. See, file has attached, and also we can detach a file using detach function. Detach and pass here a. Here file has detached. Now clear it, run it again. Now we can also see summary of the file using summary function. Right here summary and pass a. See, the output is summary of the file. See, minimum value of roll is 1, maximum value of roll is 15, the number of rows present in name is 15, and type is character type. Minimum marks is 56, maximum marks is 90, median is 78, mean is 77.6. Same gender has 5, gender has 15 rows. Age, minimum age is 20, maximum age is 27, medium is this, mean is this, and so on. We can also access the element. See, here I am accessing column marks. Right here A, and the column number of marks is 3rd, so write here 3. Now run it. See, here marks column has accessed. We can also access marks column as right here a dollar and marks. Run it. See, the output is marks column. Okay. Now access a single element. Suppose we want to see the name of roll number 3. First run it. Roll number 3 is Sritan. Now we want to print Sritan. Write A and write here row number of Sritan 3 and name is second column. So write here 2 and run it. See, the output is Sritan. Now access the marks of Shubham. Here is Shubham and his marks is 89. So write A, pass here row number of Shubham 5 and column number of marks which is 3. See, marks of Shubham is 89. Okay. Now see how we can access a row. Suppose we want to access row number 14. Here row number is 14. Write here A 14 and a comma. Run it. See. Here we access row number 14. Now if we want to access more than one row, then write A. Suppose we want to access row number 3 to 8. Write here 3 colon 8 comma and run it. See, the output has row number 3 to row number 8. Now we can also reduce the number of column. See, write here 2 and 3. It will return only second and third column. Run it. See, here the output has only second and third column and 3 to 8 row. You can also see the dimension of this A. Write team and pass here A. Run it. See, the dimension is 15 and 5. 15 is number of row and 5 is number of column here. Okay. In this session, we learnt about operation on CSV file. Friends, for any doubt, knock me on comment section. Thank you.